Good afternoon, this is Tom Asprey with the PA Stock Alerts for Tuesday, October 9th. Well, stocks got hit hard in the last hour of trading. The S&P futures closed near their lows. Though after the close, the earnings report for Alcoa and Yum brands were actually better than expected, with Yum up initially about 3% on the report. Technically, the S&P futures look ready to test that monthly pivot support at 1430. Then the question comes whether we're going to hold that last correction low at 1424 or whether we're going to drop back into the 1410 to 1414 area before we see a decent bounce. John and I both think we will see a good rebound in the next several days, and it'll be the strength or weakness of that rebound that'll tell us the extent of the market's short-term top. Market internals have reversed back to the downside. This chart of the Spider Trust S&P 500 AD line shows it's dropped back below its moving average as the SPY closed below its 20-day EMA. Next support here at the late September lows. We see an uptrend here. We wouldn't want to see a significant break below this low, and certainly not the late August lows, as that would suggest that more stocks are declining and the market is weak technically. NYSE Composite continues to look better, though it too has dropped below its moving average. It is just testing its short-term uptrend, has longer-term support, and shows a clear pattern, for now anyway, of higher highs and higher lows. Of course, the NASDAQ 100 got hit really hard. You can see we got down to monthly support at 2736 today. Further support in the 2714 area. On a short-term basis, it's getting a bit oversold, so it should see a snapback rally. Initial resistance now at 2775 to 2797. Of course, Apple's a big part of this. It got hit pretty good today. Actually, this chart hasn't updated. It's down at 625, I believe, in today's session. Stiff resistance now in the 658 to 676 area. We'd look to see some buyers come in down at these levels as the long-term trend for Apple remains quite positive. Nice action in A&R today, suggesting that a bottom is being completed. Closed up 50 cents in a sharply declining market. Once the market stabilizes and starts to rebound, money could flow into the new leaders and those that held up well. A&R fits that bill. Raise the stop on your long position now to 614. Cancel the order for now to sell half at 788. This one has the potential to go above that, John, I feel. The volume was pretty good today, and if we see another big update on ever-increasing volume, it'll support the bullish case. You can see trend line resistance around 880 with the former spike high in September at 905. Don't think this is really the time to be testing the short side of the market. You can see this chart of SDS. Gave a buy signal yesterday, closed pretty nicely today, but still is not far below the monthly pivot resistance at 5501 and the late September high of 5532. Weekly chart shows that we're well away from a weekly buy signal here, also suggesting the sidelines is best at this time. The next regular update will be on Thursday, October 11th. Hope you found this information beneficial. Thank you very much.